Are you new to the aircraft parts market or looking to acquire parts for your aircraft? My name is Amy with CNL Aviation Group. Whether you're just beginning or don't even know where to start, I'm here to share with you 5 things you need to know about reading aircraft part quotes. Number 1, you need to know the type of quote. There are 2 ways to purchase aircraft parts: outright and exchange. Outright is simply purchasing the part and end of transaction. Exchange involves providing another part, known as a core, as part of the transaction. Number 2, part numbers are unique alphanumeric identifiers for each aircraft part, created by the manufacturer. These numbers should always be included with the quote. These numbers are very specific and can have a lot of digits, so double check and make sure you have the appropriate part number when reading your quote. Be sure also to check the description of the part matches the part number, as there is potential for different manufacturers to use the same part number for a completely different part. Number 3, and this is really important right now, every quote should have a lead time or time frame from when the order is received to when the part is shipped. If the part is listed as stock, the supplier should be able to ship same day. If the supplier has to obtain the part from another supplier, you can be looking at a significant delay. Know your lead time. Number 4, every quote for a serviceable part should include a link to the part's certification or documentation. This is known as a release document and can be an 8130, Form 1, or equivalent. This document is required with every part to release the part into service. The release document will have information such as the aircraft part number, the part description, condition, quantity, who issued the certification, what date it was produced, and the time and cycles remaining on the part, if the part has an allowable life limit. And finally, number 5. Depending on the type of part and the requirements of your quality system, the documentation might need to include aircraft part traceability. Think of this as a paper trail right back to when the part was born. Aviation is a highly regulated business to ensure the safety of those who fly and those on the ground. For that reason, you may need to know where the part came from, including where it was last operated and who manufactured it. If you require trace documentation and it is not included with the quote, ask for it from the supplier. Reputable suppliers will provide all of this information to you without hesitation. If you have questions about this video or need to source a specific part for your aircraft, please reach out to us today. And be sure to check out our in-depth article on this topic on the CNL Learning Center. Thank you for watching.